Night jacket. Okay, I saw him in the morning.
Yeah, so maybe I'll see him tomorrow.
Yeah, I saw him in the morning. Okay, I know the wrestling boy, right?
Listen,
Jack.
Yeah.
You weren't coming to visit me where you weren't.
They still visit you?
I get enough. There's certain people that come to see me.
Don't try to do like
I
a guilt trip
I know
on
you
me.
don't like me to touch you, but I got it.
Guilt trip on that one. I went to the front office. I had to run to the front office to get something because I was told that I had a package instead of it being delivered to me. And
How is this possible? Is this possible when I have nothing on radar? It's clear as day.
all the way to the front office, they don't stop in and say hi, and I feel like crying.
You saw her to come to pick up.
So then today I went to go talk to her, but I was just I can't.
Well, you can.
Impossible.
We're at 7:50. Oof, nice. That was a good one.
That one too.
That was a nice one.
Like fireworks.
Yeah. You gonna call it?
7:30.
We keep on singing until 7:30.
We need it till 7:30, and then make it up another day.
At least they did. But look, here's the thing. Here's the thing. They did the senior part of it, so now they can play this game at 4:00 in the afternoon.
Yeah, it could be
That's
very-
right. Yeah, you don't have to.
But it won't. It'll be
What do
like.
you think?
Right, it doesn't have to be a night game.
Oh, that would be-
Well, he won't
Oh,
care because
wow.
he won't be the ED when that happens.
That's some adventure thing, right?
There's no lightning.
That's what I'm saying.
There's lightning. That's what you're watching right now.
There's some good ones.
I know.
It's pretty good. And it seems to be getting taller and bigger.
Yeah.
But that's in the clouds.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, summer's over. This can't happen.
You don't get thunderstorms only in the summertime. You get it anytime during the year.
In the winter?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
You
Winter?
could get
winter-
snow. You get
snow
snow
thunder.
thunder. There's more up there too. See that? There was a crack up there. Yeah.
Thunderstorm? I've heard about in the winter.
And hail too.
You get but but hail is usually just rain that comes down so fast that it doesn't have a chance to melt in the like.
But I mean,
But yeah, you get when I was in New Hampshire, we had a blizzard where we had thunder during it. Another one.
Yeah.
This isn't going to end,
Nah.
and it's probably going to go right north of. It's probably going to go north of us,
It's gonna stay right on that border.
but it's not going to hit
But
us
it's not
directly.
moving now. Now it's just sitting right over there.
Yeah.
It's been there for the past 15 minutes.
People
Who's
there,
out on
right?
the-
Just
There's a couple walking. I told them that the wife was like, "It's okay. He's taller than me, so he'll get struck." I don't care. They're not part of the game, so I don't care.
Never seen anything last this long.
Because you normally see the storm when it's closer to you.
Oh, okay.
No, that's the guy with the helmet. The lady on his head.
on the
serious?
full
Really?
Yeah.
probably, right? They want the one.
It's not even hot and this happens. Like, really?
That's because we're having the cold front. That's why the storm is happening. Because it was hot and now it's getting really cold. This is the wind before the storm where it starts to blow.
yeah.
That must be nice.
Well, something's on my radar then, because it is clear as day. I have nothing on radar. Nothing.
Cook stuff for tomorrow.
Tomorrow we have a night game.
I know.
Are you working tomorrow night?
What time
Are you
started?
working Saturday?
You didn't ask me yet.
You have time. Yeah.
I saw some
That's the part.
Yeah, yeah.
Reason I got to come out. I don't know. Once you get it, it's very easy to get.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Well, the hiccups are
Why have like
because
three times a day?
it's a spasm of your diaphragm.
One day I had 3 times. I said, what's going on? Even
And when you drink a lot of alcohol.
That's what it is.
You drink a lot of alcohol, you get them a
You have
lot.
to teach me how to drink. Tonight I have some milk.
Oh.
If you go straight in, yeah,
Yes.
We're still watching. We're calling it at 7:30 if it doesn't stop.
That's what I was hoping.
If you go straight in through the main doors, the bathroom is always towards the back of by the stairwell.
So if I just heard what you said, calling it at 7:30, it's 24, and I just saw one.
Yeah.
There's
No.
way we could go back.
If we still
There's
see
another
light,
one.
yeah, if we still see lightning at 7:30, we're calling.
All right, well, I'm gonna do that.
Yep.
Well, there's supposed to be a game.
We're on,
I'm here because the post is here.
we're on a lightning cloud.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably
It's gonna get killed.
Yeah.
I hope they're not working.
I was on the clock.
She's in the press box. Yeah, no.
Do you know if the Honda cake and stuff in it?
No, it's still out there.
No, I know.
Oh, they probably should.
Well, at 7:30 when we call this game, somebody has to, our kids have to go out and get their stuff. I don't know why they left it out there.
I know.
They should have brought it in. Like, you leave it water, like, 'cause
Right.
the coolers don't matter.
Right.
Your equipment goes. Because now we're gonna have
Oh,
kids
look
out.
at that.
We're gonna have kids on the turf
Right.
as the lightning gets closer, which is what should happen.
Yeah. It's nice watching this too.
Yeah. People should get paid for today, and they'll get paid for the next.
Yeah, right.
Oof, that was a good one. Yeah. Really?
Yeah, I didn't see the other ones. I had my back.
Oh. We've been watching the light show.
I thought you guys were all like crazy. I'm like,
Well, so did my parents, because my parents were like, there's not even lightning in the state. And I'm like, well, I
you know
saw
what?
it.
And I did the same thing. We did the radar thing. There's nothing on the radar.
The radar.
That's what I'm saying. I got
that's
no,
not
it's
accurate.
clear.
Obviously, but we're watching it, so it doesn't matter what the radar
Oh yeah,
says.
that's all you have to do is see it. That's it.
Well, that's what happened. I
It's
saw
ice
it.
right over
I
there.
saw it over in that area the first time, and I was just like, I'm like, maybe it was just a light.
Done?
Okay.
Oh, we're still not. Oh, we're not counting. What are the kids gonna do about their equipment on the field? That's the whole point of putting them inside.
know.
No shit.
Unless you want to go for it.
I
pick up
know.
everything with your card.
What?
Unless you want to pick up everything with your card.
I think I'm going to.
All right, I'll meet you there. We'll do.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, we'll just get the equipment, throw it on the cart.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.